Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix NVIDIA black screen after driver update. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So our first step is to roll back NVIDIA driver. So for that you need to enter into your device manager. Over the device manager, please enter into NVIDIA GeForce RTX property, and then you need to enter into the driver. Over the driver, it's in disable condition, rollback driver. If it's in enable condition, please do click on it. So our second step is to disable fast startup. So for that you need to enter into control panel. Over the control panel, please enter into the power optimization or power option, and then choose what your button and turn on password protection. Over there, please disable the turn on for startup and save the settings. So our third step is to update Windows. So for that you need to enter into your settings and Windows update, and then click for check for update. So if in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot the error. So fourth step is to repair Windows system files. For that you need to enter into the command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it on the CMD. You need to wait for sometimes, probably it's like 5 to 10 minutes, because it need to be loaded from 0 to 100. And then you need to paste the second prompt, the same you need to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It need to be loaded from 0 to 100. I'm just speeding my video. So once it's done, please type exit from command prompt and restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and the issue will be solved. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe. Take care, bye bye.